Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make your Google Docs private. Before we dive into the steps, please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. By default, Google Docs are private and can only be seen by you. However, if you previously shared a document and want to restrict access again, open your document and click the blue Share button in the top right corner. First, remove specific people by finding their names in the list, clicking the drop-down menu next to their roles, and selecting Remove Access. Next, look under the General Access section. If it says Anyone with the link, click the drop-down arrow next to it and change the setting to Restricted. This ensures that even if someone still has the link, they can no longer view or edit the file. Finally, check if your document is published to the web. Go to the File menu in the top left, select Share, and click on Publish to Web. If it is currently published, simply click the Stop Publishing button and hit OK to confirm. That is all for this guide. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video.